amazing day. I think this is the most excited I've been about an unboxing that I can like even recall. I received today my very first Beautylish lucky bag, and I haven't peeked. I got it before I got ready and I was so tempted to look inside. I've seen some videos and some like pictures in some forums of what people have gotten, and a lot of them do seem really good. If you do not know what the Beautylish lucky bag is, this happens once a year and these sell out super quick. They have several options. I got the regular lucky bag. This bag costs $75 plus it was $10 for shipping, so I paid like around $85, maybe a little bit more if there were taxes or anything like that. The XL version's like $150 and that sold out before like in minutes. Like I wasn't gonna get that probably just for like money reasons, like that's a lot of money. But like by the time I was like refreshing the page waiting for it, and by the time like I was even able to get this one, it was sold out, but it's okay. They also offer a Jeffree Star version. I skipped that. So yeah, so this is just mystery bag of makeup. So I've seen some good ones, some I wouldn't really want just because I have some of the items already. So yeah, I am so excited. So you guys, let's get this open and see if it was worth the $85 I spent. I think we're supposed to get at least $150 worth of value, so we can kind of calculate that and talk about that at the end too. Oh, and by the way, I do have some giveaways going on our channel. I will link any of the active ones down below in case you missed those videos. It's so cold here in Florida. I have my heat on for the first time all year and I'm wearing a sweater. I know you guys are like, shut up, it's always 80 there, but ooh, it's so pretty. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it has this really pretty wrapping. I love it. I'm gonna have to save that to wrap something in. And it says Lucky Bag 2020. And on the back of that tag it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. And then there's a sign face, yes. And there's some tissue paper. And then here's a sneak peek of what's inside. I can recognize like two things. Oh wow, I got something interesting I can already see. So I'm gonna put the bag on the floor and then all of my items are in here. I got something from a brand I've never tried before. I can see that already. So I'm just gonna start the first thing. What is this? This looks like it's a lip color by DM Color Fix 24-hour matte color. And this is in the shade Rustic. What's DM Color Fix? Do I not know? I think my box is a little bit different than some people's. Oh my gosh. Oh, so it's like a lip gloss. I like this color. And it's kind of exciting. I don't think I know this brand. So it's like a little squeeze tube. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. So there it is, and then let's just do a little swatch. Ooh, the name fits it well. That is very rustic. So I don't think there's a card with pricing information on here, so I'll try and like put the pricing on the screen if I can find it, which hopefully I can. So first thing we got is a lippy. The next thing, I am just really hoping I would get this. Okay, so Good Molecules is like one of my favorite skincare brands, and it is one of the most affordable. And I am almost out of this product, and I saw a lot of people get it in their lucky bags, and I got it too. So this is a Good Molecules Nice Side Brightening toner, and I use this toner every day, twice a day. I used it this morning. I'm almost out of it, and this cost $14, I believe. Good Molecules is like a Beautylish brand, and they do send me PR, but they've never sent me like repeats of anything, so I'm so happy to get this. Even though it's affordable, I'm super pumped. Let me get it out. If you guys haven't tried Good Molecules and you're like just getting into the skincare world, I would suggest starting with that just because it is affordable and they have such good products. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I know they're sending out some other Good Molecules things that I didn't need. Besides this, I wouldn't have mind getting like their cleansing balm. I haven't tried that, but I'm super stoked about this. Yay! And then we have something by Oribe. I've seen some other people get this. This is the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. And this is like super bougie shampoo. I think it was like 50 bucks or something like that. Again, I'll try and leave the prices on the screen unless there's somehow a card in here, but I don't think there is. Yeah, look how beautiful this shampoo bottle is. I'm not really in the market for like a new shampoo right now, but I mean, obviously eventually I'm going to need some shampoo. Let's see if there's a scent. But yeah, Oribe is like a really expensive hair care brand that I normally wouldn't want to splurge on myself. It smells good. It smells like other Oribe products I've tried. So it's like a screw off cap. And what is this supposed to do? Repair and restore shampoo. This is supposed to reawaken your hair to its glossiest, healthiest prime. This rejuvenating cleanser combines centuries-old healing oils and extracts, cypress and argan and marijuana with our revolutionary biorestorative complex to balance the scalp and reinforce the inner strength of each strand. Lather, indulge, and rinse. So it's made without like any parabens, sulfates, or sodium chloride. It's color and keratin safe. It has UV protection for hair, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So cool. Not the most exciting thing for me to get, like hair products in general, but I'll definitely use it. Now the next thing I see in here, this is what I was like, whoa, I didn't expect to get this in here. I've never tried this brand in my life, and I mentioned the brand's name already in this video. I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar Palette. And I think this is like $54. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like kind of excited I get to try it. I wouldn't like go out and purchase it myself. I know it is like cruelty free and stuff like that. You know, I just try and avoid like drama in general in life. Like I like to have like positive vibes. So that's like the only reason really why I've been avoiding the brand. Wow, it is really pretty. I'll give it that. So there is a mirror, and then this is what it looks like. I'm sure most of you watching have seen this palette before because this is such a hit and it was sold out all the time. This is actually pretty cool to get in the box, I'm not gonna lie. I was worried that I would get the ABH Riviera palette because I've seen some people get that and I already own that palette. I mean, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. I would give it away to one of you guys. So I guess soon I will be trying the Jeffree Star formula for the first time ever. If you guys would like to see like a video of me trying this or like trying out all these products, let me know because I already have my makeup on. But we're not done yet. There's 2 more things in here. And it was wrapped up really securely, by the way. Oh, this is exciting. I've never tried this brand before. This is by Sugar Pill, the liquid lip color and anti-socialite. I guess this is matte. I've heard mixed things about the Sugar Pill lip formula. I know a lot of people love their eyeshadows. And I've heard some people love their lipsticks and some don't. Ooh, the packaging is really cute though, isn't it? Let's do a swatch. Let's see. So it looks like this is a anti-socialite, and this is the dark color. So let's put it next to Rust right here. Oh wow. I don't have anything like this. I feel like smelling it. It smells good. I can't really pinpoint it, but this is what it looks like, but I don't think I have any browns like that in my collection. It's like a reddish brown. Can you see that there? That's really pretty. So I like both the shades. I feel like they're both shades I probably wouldn't pick out for myself, but I'll definitely try this. So yeah, again, let me know if you want to see any of these products in a future video. And then the last item I'm really excited about, I got a Wayne Goss brush. Does it even say what brush this is? Oh, it feels so soft. So I don't see like a number on it or anything like that. You can see there's his name right there. I love Wayne Goss's channel. This is really soft. I think it might be animal hair. I need to look into it. But yeah, what would this brush be for? Do you think it's like highlight or... I mean, you can use a brush any way you want. Oh my god, I've never felt such a soft brush. But you guys, I think I got pretty lucky with my lucky bag. Because none of these are... Well, okay, almost said none of these. One of these items is a repeat in my collection, but I'm like literally down to like where the sticker is. Like I only have probably like a week left. And I love this toner. I don't think I even told you guys what this toner does or anything. I was just so excited to get it. So this is formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, licorice root extract to brighten and improve the experience of enlarged pores. So yes, we got a product I love, and then everything else was new to me. We got 2 lip products. I mean, they're not like colors I'd probably wear every day, but I'm curious. I kind of want to see what I look like in a darker lip like that. I think that'd be like fun, you know, to wear in a video coming up. Shampoo's not exciting, but I would never buy myself this bougie of a shampoo. So yeah, never tried Wayne Goss brush, so I'm excited to try that. I just wish there was some information packet like that came with this along with the pricing. Like some of the items I just happen to know, like I'm pretty positive the blood sugar palette is $54. And I know I haven't like vocally supported Jeffree Star on my channel, but I'm not gonna lie, I am excited to try his formula. And really the only reason why I was avoiding it is because I just don't like to stir up any drama or support any drama. But yeah, I guess the drama world's been kind of calmed down, or am I just watching less drama videos? I don't know. But overall, I think I got my money's worth. Again, I'm gonna have to calculate all the prices off camera, and I can put the total on the screen now here. And down below and stuff like that. So yeah, and if you want any of these items, they're all sold on Beautylish's website. So yeah, check them out. And I definitely recommend the Good Molecules brand. I want to do a full video on Good Molecules skincare. I've already like used up some items I've gotten from them, and they usually send me their new releases. So I've been asking you guys a lot of questions in this video, but if you would like to see a full skincare video on just Good Molecules, I know some people have asked just about my skincare routine in general. Which I do plan to do. I just keep adding things and testing things, but I definitely know enough about Good Molecules to do a video on that. I actually used another Good Molecules product today. I used like their their moisturizer and their primer in one. But anyways, you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Did you guys get the lucky bag? If so, did you get the same variation as me? Or if you didn't, like, let me know what you got. I would love to hear. I think mystery bags are so fun. And if you guys ever hear about makeup mystery bags, let me know, because sometimes I see people unboxing them. I'm like, I had no idea those even existed, because usually mystery makeup bags go out, like they sell out really quick, and I want to open them on our channel. So if you guys ever see one, definitely hit me up, let me know, like send me a DM, like Instagram, Snapchat, or YouTube comment, wherever. I'm pretty much on social media all day long. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!